Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. September 12. You can see Bitcoin bounced really nicely from that candle body lows. We had a fake out yesterday, but you can see was indeed a fake out, and we are back at the same level. Yeah, morning Shogun, Bova, Catalin, Bukur. Nice to see you guys. Well, that's the daily chart here. We had the bounce, we had the fake out yesterday in the news. We managed to play around a little bit, but kind of difficult price action. Not easy to trade, but still possible. Still, if we have volatility, we can still make some money. Okay, so what we can do here? Let's see indicators on daily. I don't see anything special. I just see the indicators following the price action. So for the moment, nothing special on them. Now we have the support at 52, another one, a smaller one at 54, and we have some resistance above us at 60k. We can touch that one today. Yeah, it's possible. I'll frame a long setup here. Well, I don't think I have the risk reward, at least not on daily or 4-hour chart. But on lower time frame, we can go long or short. If you are day traders, it's possible. Nice bounce. So again, don't be too bearish here. You can see the market is bouncing, is respecting this range. Yeah? We are on daily and you can see we bounced again from this level. If we'll accept above 60k, we'll have to ask how high we can push. So it's still a range. Don't be too bearish. In, I don't know, September 2024 is not a good time to be bearish on Bitcoin. If indeed we'll get a dip, yeah, we'll get a deeper retracement. It's a buying opportunity. I'll repeat the same message over and over again. Yeah, don't be part of the public. Yesterday in the news, you saw by yourself how the sentiment was changing in real time. Yeah, market going down, everyone was bearish. Well, we'll go to zero. Well, look what happened. Anyway, on daily, we are between 54 and 60k, and the market looks acceptably strong to push higher and to touch this level. We don't know what will happen. We can change the sentiment to hunt only long ideas if we'll accept and stay above 60k. For the moment, we can still consider this one dead cat bounce. Yeah, we bounce back at 60. If we'll not accept here, we can push back down and retest lower levels. Okay, so that's the template. The other one, we are still short from the top. We bounced from the long reload zone here. Not many things I could do or I could say more about Bitcoin. Ethereum weaker than Bitcoin, but on daily or even 4-hour chart, we can pay attention to this trend line. Well respected, and now you can see we are trying to accept the other side in a long reload zone. Not bad. So if we'll get a W the other side, that's a bullish signal. It's a bullish setup and probably I'll take it. For the moment, not the case. Not on daily and I don't think 4-hour chart. Nah, not yet. But could be. Let's pay attention. When you have long reload zone, when you have trend lines, when you have a lot of confluences, it's time to pay attention. Wait for a clear setup. A bit weaker than Bitcoin for the moment, but still nothing special on Ethereum here. Bitcoin dominance, well, everyone wants a NEM and we want altcoin season, but seems like we have a range here and we are playing around. We can stay in this range for a longer period of time. We'll see. But for the moment, nothing special on Bitcoin dominance from yesterday, 2 days, 3 days ago. We are still in the same range. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, like we suggested yesterday, is losing ground. You can see it's trying to push lower and lower. We'll change that when we'll start to see Ws. daily W's, weekly W's. We talked about this chart multiple times. Morning Katalin, morning Robert, morning Ken. So we talked about this chart. Show me some W's. For the moment, not the case. Well, I'm not bullish yet. I'll just wait and see how low this one could go. Simple as that. For the moment, Vitalik has something else to do. DXY, you can see we are bouncing here. We bounced second time. We can form a W. Long reload zone, not bad. Support and resistance. Well, a W could produce a bounce to the next level here. 103.5. Total market cap looks similar with Bitcoin, total 2, similar with total 1, total 3, looks similar with everything else. To be clear that we have an uptrend and we change something in this chart, especially total 3, we need to close above this level and then above this level to break this downtrend channel. It's a lot of work to do to become bullish. For the moment, again, not the case. We are still in that channel. Okay, yes, on daily. We discussed yesterday that we have an inside bar fractal fired, and you can see the result. Yesterday, okay, we had a fake out here, but was a hunting long opportunity here. And when I posted, well, not too many people said, well, okay, no, you have to play your setups. You can see here. I'll go on lower time frame and you'll understand what I'm saying. Okay, so we dipped in the pump chaser zone, almost touched 50%, GAN 50-50, textbook one, and we are bouncing. We are back here in the short reload zone. Even if you draw another short reload zone, same. It's here in the same area. Let's see what will happen. But big players coming back, demonstrated some power, and now, okay, clean up the market a little bit, and now they could push it higher. A lot of people don't understand some things. To push the market down, you need bearish news. You need bearish sentiment. Yeah? That doesn't mean it's the end of the world. Someone could say to manipulate the market, to move the market, say, well, it's over, recession, everything will die, just to push the price action down. Yeah? But that doesn't mean it's real. Don't think for yourself. Respect the fib levels, because the fibs are the same on all time frames. Yeah? That's why it's one of my favorite tools. Doesn't matter what time frame I have. I could draw the fib and I could see if the market is respecting 61.8, for example. Yeah? But here we have a classic GAN 50-50. Traditional market, well respected, nothing we can complain. Let's go on 4-hour chart and see something nice here. We had a nice SFU here, which produced a really nice result. Then we draw a classic from the SFU level. We draw a long reload zone. And we said, let's play the shark. And you can see what happened with the shark. Yeah? And now you can consider this one a W. Ugly, but it's there. Sorry, look at this. This is an ugly W. Anyway, now we are pushing higher here, and okay, if you want to short your trading traditional market, well, on 4-hour chart you can do something like this. Take this high, take this low, okay, then do something like this. And you can see confluence with the other short reload zone. You can hunt EMs here. Yeah? Bearish divergence, well, I don't see anything on 4-hour chart, but probably on 1-hour chart maybe you can find something. Looking left, you can see this big candle. This needs a retest, a proper retest. So expect the market to fuck around here, and if it's bearish, we'll M out. On this chart, capital com, we have a gap here. So probably 78.6 will be again a good level to hunt a short. Yeah. I'm not trading the traditional market, so I'll not say too much about ES. Huh? Okay, now we talked about the overview. I don't think are too many things we can say from yesterday, new things. So let's go and see what we have on lower time frame, on 4-hour chart, 1 hour. Maybe we can find some trade ideas. Well, Bitcoin, if you remember this this trade, it's nice in profit, pushing higher. I'm okay with that. Yeah? We accepted here, we closed a little bit higher. Yeah, so we accepted a new high we have here. Why? Well, weak high, and we have a candle body close above the weak high, so definitely a new high here. And some people say, well, it's a fake out. Well, maybe it is, maybe it's not. I notice an uptrend, and let's think about that. Yeah, if the market will stay above I don't know, 55,500, we still have an uptrend and we can push higher. Same SFU, same fake out in the news was on Bitcoin also. Yeah? Everyone was bearish here, and was just a retest of the entries on a lot of altcoins. And I think, I don't know, Bukur or someone else asked me if I'll get a retest of the entry, I could take the trade, and I said, okay, yeah, up to you, why not? No, that's why I don't recommend to move the stop at scratch at 1-to-1 in this kind of a condition, and I prefer to close 50% of the trade and leave the stop loss at all the way down, or don't do anything and just leave with the results. It's hard to keep the trade and seeing it up and down, and I don't know, have 1.5 in profit and then to hit the stop loss. So then it's better to at 1-to-1 close 50% and keep the trade. Yeah? That's Bitcoin Aevo on 4-hour chart. Well, we are hoping, but I don't see it. Didn't touch long reload zone. Probably pump chaser zone was good enough on lower time frame. If we'll accept above these highs, well, we'll go without us. We have a trade. We have a trade on higher time frame on Aevo, so we are okay. Alt. Now you can see we are still in the same area, consolidating here, but now we can do some W's. We can do some W's. If you'll see forming a W here, well, take it. CRV, well, we are long, is underperforming for the moment, but it's for the moment. We don't know what will happen. Dimension, well, we are back at entry. It's just a retest. It's dropping and will hit the stop loss. Well, if I knew that, I'll not be trading anymore. So we don't know. We'll have to just play setups. E-gold, well, it's pushing, it's trying to make a new high here, because if we'll accept above this level, then we have a new high, we have a W here, and we can push higher. On other template, we have even a trade. It's looking nice. Ethereum, well, similar with Bitcoin. I could see if Bitcoin will push higher, I could see Ethereum taking some levels, but keep in mind, we have a lot of Ethereum waiting to be sold. So don't be too eager to take longs here. If you are in and out, okay, I get it, but to be damn bullish on Ethereum, you need at least a daily double. Fat, strong, really strong. I don't have a setup here. We managed to take an entry, okay, yeah, it's too late for me. This one is from last week. I think Bukur has it, and more people should have this trade, because we talked multiple times about it. We have a 5-to-1 trying to hunt here. We are at almost 4-to-1. Hope some of you got the trade. Huh? Hope some of you got the trade and they are making money. Joe, I don't see a setup there. Manta, yeah, we have a trade on this W. We retested that level. Well, it's up to you if you took it at the retest or not. For the moment, it's underperforming Bitcoin, but it's just for the moment. We don't know what will happen. Pixel, well, it's forming a big W here, hopefully. Byte, yeah, we waited for an entry here. Well, with all the bearishness yesterday, didn't give us a 61.8. And now it's making a new high. Well, let me show you something on daily. Just my 2 cents. Let's see if it's real. Yeah. This could be an ugly W. But it's a W. If we close like this or higher, well, let's put the line chart. We can see it. And we can push straight up. Depending what Bitcoin will do. We don't have an entry. Let's hope that we'll get another dip today and we can get an entry. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Solana. Well, just playing around here. For the moment, nothing special on Solana. Similar. We can make a nice W, but also we can consolidate for longer. Ton. Yeah, we had a nice bounce. Yeah. Consolidating. Like I said, I expect lower levels. Tron, just all over the place. I'll just eliminate this one. It's just bothering me. I don't see anything special about it. I took it out from this list. And Doji, pushing higher, holding above $1. That's strength. Keeping the price action above $1, it's strength. It's easy to keep it with a good community because you have limited supply. But this one could push really high. Doge, we spoke about yesterday about a W the other side of the trend line. If I'll put the line chart on, I don't know, 1 hour maybe, even on 4-hour chart, we can try a W here. But idea is W the other side of the trend line and then pushing higher. That's the idea. I saw Elon start to post different ways that just shilling Doge. It's possible. Don't chase. Just one idea. Don't chase when you see Elon Musk posting. It's not a good idea. You'll see the market retracing all the way down, maybe even lower. So wait for a clear setup. Yeah, it's nice that Elon Musk is pushing Doge, but don't FOMO, don't chase. You saw Elon Musk posting something and you are FOMOing. If you are a scalper on 1 minute chart, okay, maybe you can have a chance, but it's not a good idea to chase after Elon tweets. Okay, hit the like button if you like the content, or the dislike if you don't like it. Share with your friends. Guys, I'll keep, probably September, I'll keep this live stream for the public. But this live stream actually is not for the public. No? It's not the public business about Crypto Traders Arena trade ideas. Yeah? It's too much for them. Who wants to be part of Crypto Traders Arena, then it's a different story. But to keep these live streams on public is not healthy on the long run. So probably sooner than later, I will make them unlisted. Yeah, or only for premium. We'll see. It's nice to live stream and share ideas, but in the same time, there are a lot of people that they don't know how to trade and they could break their necks in a trade idea. They don't know risk management. They don't know a lot of things. And bad things could happen and I don't want that. Yeah? Okay, so the last one is Doge. A W here will make me happy. On lower time frames, you can see 15-minute chart. Monday low, Monday high, Monday low. We just took Monday high and we rejected. That makes the price action bearish? No. Could be if we'll get an EM. But for the moment, we closed above that level. We already SFU'd, we are back below, but you can see the price action is holding that level, which is not bearish. So on lower time frames, it's a bad area to hunt long ideas, but the market could push higher with or without a setup. Huh? And I just don't see a setup on lower time frame here. Maybe Stefan could find something. I don't know. He has 2 or 3 different setups, different than mine. But we are in an uptrend on 50-minute chart. Huh? So any retracement, even if it's with news and bad news, it's a buying opportunity. Yeah? So trading in a trend, it's similar with trading in a range. But if you have an uptrend, you are trying to buy any retracement at the bottom of the channel. You are not selling the top of the channel, you are just using the trend in your favor. Any retracement, it's a buying opportunity. Okay? Idea is if you will have a retracement deep enough for us to make some money. Let's see Holy Grail. Well, on 50-minute chart you can see we can have an entry. On 5-minute chart again, you can see we have an uptrend here. Will hold? Well, we don't have any way to know. But you can trade with Holy Grail. If you took this one, well, at least you have the stop loss at scratch, so you cannot lose money. Well, it's not bad. Here, well, this was a kind of up and down, going sideways part. No? But you can see, if you look left, if you took first entry, then you can make some money, even if it's ugly. 50-minute chart, it's a bit better. I'll prefer to wait for a clear setup. We made some money Monday, Tuesday, even yesterday, just a little bit. No? We made some money. So let's protect first what we made and try to make more. I don't see any requests in the chat. So guys, if you have some requests, please ask in the chat. Let's see Sui. Let's see what we have on Sui. I saw someone commenting about Sui. Well, then, yeah. Well, Sui is trying to do something here. I don't know how many people will see that, but if I'll flip the chart, what do you think I'll see here? Okay. And now let me ask some people who have some experience watching us from more time than a couple of months. What do you think is that? For me, here looks like a distribution pattern. Yeah, I flipped the chart. This being the top. So we have a chance to push higher here. I think so. I flipped it so you can see better. Look, go on search on Investopedia or just Google it. Wyckoff check distribution pattern, and you'll see the pattern and you'll see everything. It's a textbook one. Now let's flip it back. Well, what will be the target for this one? I should chase here. Well, if you've managed to get an entry, okay, maybe. But we should at least think something like this. Well, so the target should be here, 1.5. We are at $1. If the market, you can see market is fighting to accept above $1. If the market will accept above $1 on 4-hour chart, maybe higher time frame, then you can find something and take your profit here. If you are even more bullish, you can trail some higher, hoping for a better reward. But this looks like a textbook bottom here. We can go sideways if we're lucky and we'll manage to get an entry. But it's looking nice on 4-hour chart. Let's see how we have on what we have on daily. Well, we are definitely trying to make some W's here. Idea is something like this. Well, if we'll accept above $1, then we have a green light to push higher. Let's see if we'll accept. You can see one rejection, second one, the third one. Don't go and buy there. You are buying the resistance level and the probabilities are against you. We rejected once, we rejected twice. What makes you think this one will be a breakout? Yeah? If you are not shorting there, I don't recommend shorting altcoins, but okay. Wait for the breakout, close above and then retest. And that's your entry. Yeah. Super, super. Okay, let's take a look at super. Doop, doop, doop. Similar. On daily chart. Come on, what you are doing? Daily chart. LJ, well respected. This was your trade. This W here. LJ. The second trade. This W here, the bigger one. Yeah, big W, breakout retest. Too late. Too late for a trade on daily. You'll have to go on lower time frame to get an entry. On the other hand, guys, I'm blabbing away from a couple of weeks ago. Buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. A lot of people say, well, I'm scared, I don't want to buy it, will go lower. Well, this pattern is trying to tell us something different. But you'll see the pattern when it's too late. You'll see the W after the fact. So you had the W breakout and retest. This was your entry, the perfect entry. And now you are at 1-to-1 in profit, and you can close 50% of the trade. If you trade it on spot, even better. And now you have a free look at the market. If the market will push higher, you are in the best position possible. Well, chasing here, not the best idea, because in the same time, look left and you'll see some resistance here. Here or higher is not a good idea to chase here. Indicators, strong OBV, nice RSI. Well, looks okay. If you are long from lower, okay. Next one, dogs. Well, hope that I have it. Well, not enough history. I don't know what to say on daily about this one. We don't have enough history. Was new and shiny, you know that. You know my rule. Is new and shiny, just leave it alone. Long reload zone starts here. Yeah, okay, you are bouncing at 61.8. Will this level hold? It's not probable. It's possible to hold that level if Bitcoin is starting to push higher. But if Bitcoin will not be too bullish, this one will probably go to 78.6. I don't see that daily W. We don't have a trade here. And you can see OBV is making lower highs and lower lows. Not enough history to say more than that. If I'll go on 4-hour chart, maybe, but still not enough. We are going sideways here. That doesn't make it bullish. If you believe in the project and maybe you think it's the best since hot water, okay. But wait for a daily W. And remember that altcoins usually love to bottom at 78.6 or lower. So you're at 61.8. Maybe you should be more patient here. Yeah, so that's my opinion about this one. Share details on my trade thesis. What trade? Which one? Be more specific, please. What do you have here on this one? Well, this LJ, ugly one, but still valid. You can see the trend line. You can see well respected, respected here. W the other side of the trend line on 4-hour chart. If will be the case. I don't see it yet. So usually when you have a pump like this, nice and shiny, everything is nice. Well, you need a longer consolidation. Well, join Discord on car. Join Discord and you'll find out. W thesis, W on what chart? If you want a W, you have to know what a W is and how we approach the market. We need location. In this case, I prefer 78.6 and then a nice W. To give you an example of a W, I'm just trying to give you an example here. Don't take it ad literam. No? Something like this. Yeah? Low, higher low, neckline, entry here, stop loss here. Try to get a 2-to-1, maybe even more. Yeah? Something like this. But a general setup or 3-step setup, if you are from TRI, you should know. Or if you're not, you don't have any idea, is location, indicator confirmation, then price structure. It's a bit too soon to say that about this chart. Join our Discord. You can stay on free part if you are not a trader. If you want to trade, well, then you should join Premium. It's pretty damn cheap, and you'll have access every day in the New York live streams. For Premium members, we are live streaming every day in the New York session. And there you can ask your question, you can put your requests. We are trading there, even day trading, even scalping in that session. Well, okay, I blabbed away half an hour, more than enough. Maybe it's time to go on VIP and make some money. So, don't be too bearish here, even if we took the Monday high. Yeah? I saw someone saying that wants to take an LJ here. Not the best trend line here, I'll tell you that. And you need a clear EM to try to short. If you made some money, maybe it's a better idea just to wait a little bit for clear price action, not to attempt setup after setup. Wait to market to tell you if accepts above this level and will push higher. Maybe. Okay, guys. That being said, hit the like or the dislike, share the video with your friends, join the Discord. We have a free part where we are posting general stuff, some trade ideas, overview of the market. Then we have Premium and VIP. Premium is for swing traders, for even day traders if they want. You'll see a lot of trade ideas. VIP is for scalpers, day traders. We are feeding them with a lot of trade ideas. Different approaches. Okay. Watch out, before I'll close, watch out the news. Yeah. 1 hour before the stock market will open, we have some news. Yeah, PPI, then Euro news, ECB conference. So that could move the market. Until then, safe to fuck around and trade scalp. But in the news, please stay out. Huh? Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys next time. Bye bye.